Alright guys, we're gonna do a little bit of work today. The bunk supports here that hold the bunks on the trailer, they're all rotted out, you can see here. They're all rusty. I knew they were bad, but I didn't know they were this bad. The ones in the back are definitely worse than the ones in the front. You can see here, I thought it was just stained with rust. Some of them are missing. That one's not as bad. You go further forward, not that bad. We got her lifted up off the trailer here with the car rack. Up at my dad's shop. The rack definitely comes in handy. Here, lift it up using some straps. Forward jack. Working pretty good, hanging nice. Roll the trailer out here, get her over to where I can grind on it and weld on it without getting no sparks on the boat. Got some new mounts. They're for leaf spring for the trailer axle. They came to the right measurements for me. They're a little bit bigger. They work good. Got 4 new ones welded on. Happy Memorial Day. We're running to Roland Martin's. We're getting some lunch. Tristan's birthday's in a couple days too, so we're doing it for that. We'll see you guys out there. And Tristan's Talon. Paul's garage. Jason's XB03 back there. A few more putting in.
Bringing the kids.
Waving. Say bye-bye. I don't think it will. It's a hot one today, boys. We're coming out of Moorhaven Lock. The water's super low at Lake Okeechobee. We're just going single file through the rim canal. Don't want to hit no lower units or nothing, no props. You can see how far down on the bank it is. of you that don't know what it feels like to pull up the Roland Martins, here you go. We're pulling up. This is one of my favorite places to come. This and Renegades is, you can't beat the feeling of this. Little man, you got a Seaboys TV, life wide open hat on. Even when you're live life wide open, sometimes you crash. Water's definitely low. See how high these docks are out of the water over there. Roland Martins, Marina and Resort. Tristan's telling me they're packed over there on the inside. We're gonna park behind this big boat here. We'll put the camera down, throw the bumpers out. Hey, Tough. What are you doing? Are you hot? Cool down the boat a little bit with some water. Mr. Man's not happy. It's a little toasty out here. All right, we're gonna put Kyle's XR02 in, break in this motor here. Got a little bit of rain, gonna wait it out. We've been working hard on this boat. I haven't showed it. I should have videoed this whole thing going together, but we put it together in 2 weeks for a drag race, and it kicked our butts the whole way. So I didn't do any videoing on it, and I will do a video on this boat in the future, I promise. It's a fun boat to drive. We're gonna go put some brake in. We blew up one engine at the race, swapped it out for Colton's, and raced the second day on that, got second place. And then now we're trying a different engine, so see how it goes. Interior still not done. Got the black boat seat out of Tristan's boat in there. He's waiting for interior. Still a work in progress. She looks pretty good for what she is. Got a puddle in the seat.